friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through an apartment tour of my apartment here in Croatia, show you my software engineer setup, and talk about why I moved here. As many of you might know, I've been a digital nomad for 6 years now, and I move around all the time, but I did want a base, and in 2020 I got stuck here in Croatia in the middle of the panini, and I was stuck here for 4 months, and I ended up liking it so much more than Canada. Better cost of living, better quality of life, better weather, more relaxed culture, maybe a little bit too relaxed, but I ended up just moving here and buying an apartment. I'm going to show you my apartment tour and my software engineer desk setup. We've now transitioned to point 5 to make my tiny little 52 square meter apartment look a lot bigger. I'm just kidding. It's just easier to see, and this way I can still be talking to you. I'll give you a deep dive tour of my software engineering corner over there. But first, let me give you a quick look at the whole place. The living room is kind of like an all-in-one. It is a kitchen, but also my office and also a gym. This is a fitness pole. I know people are gonna ask. I've been doing pole fitness since university for over 10 years now, and it's my favorite thing in the world, so that's what that is. And then it's also a living room over here. No TV, just a couch, because I don't like having a TV around. I feel like it wastes too much time, and I prefer having this. Now let me show you a quick look at the bedroom. Right until last week, I used to live like a real Silicon Valley software engineer and not even have a bed frame. But now I have a bed frame, which is the wrong size. As you can see, but it's okay. A new one is on the way. It will be resolved. Here is a look at the bedroom. I really love this mirror because I feel like it makes it look a lot bigger than it is. It's actually quite small and minimalist and kind of just everything I need. Just a bed and a bedside table. In case you're curious, this is what I'm reading right now. Superintelligence by Nick Bostrom, and then Rebooting AI by Gary Marcus and Ernest Davis. I actually read Superintelligence back in 2017, I believe. I figured now, with all the hype around AI, it's such a good read. I highly recommend reading it. And then Rebooting AI, I met Gary Marcus at TED. So I really like his ideas around AI, and I've started reading that one too. So this is what I'm reading right now, in case you're curious. Now let's move on to the rest of the tour. So for the last 2 years, the bathroom was absolutely sad. Now it's renovated and looks a lot better. The goal is to actually Airbnb this place so that when I go on my digital nomad travels, I can Airbnb this place and make some money off of it. And even though during the last few years, I've only lived in this place for maybe a few months, I don't feel bad when I leave because there's no mortgage, there's no rent. It's just a few euros a month for maintenance, electricity, things like that. It's really affordable. And now let me show you my software engineer corner. It is kind of chaos, but that's okay. It's organized chaos. Here I have my nano lights, which look better at night. This is what they look like during the day. I have the 2021 M1 MacBook Pro, 38-inch LG ultrawide curved. I am obsessed with this monitor. I have another one at my friend's house in Switzerland, actually. That is how much I love this monitor because I stayed in Switzerland for a while and I got another one, and long story short, I have 2 of these. That's how much I like them. This is mainly what I use. I actually almost never use this one because this one you can split screen and that's perfect, and then it's everything I want. And then here, this is for my new job. They actually sent me this very professional but annoying to travel with. Oh, what was that? Very professional but annoying to travel with Shure microphone. Is really fun to record videos with, but I rarely use it. I mainly just use it for my new job because part of our product is a video content portion. So I really love it. It's so much fun to swing around whenever I want to record. Yeah, then I have a whiteboard, which I very rarely use. I try to do my top 3 things I want to get done for the day on the whiteboard, but my markers are currently not the best. So I kind of just electronically do all of this. And then if you're curious about my keyboard, this is the LG MX keys. I also have the mini version for traveling, and I just love this keyboard. It's so easy to use, and you can use it on your work laptop and personal laptop and switch between them at the click of a button. And then for my mouse, I have also the matching MX Master 3. But for traveling, I use the MX Anywhere, and I love this little guy so much. This one just has a few more options that you can custom program over here, so it's great for coding, for video editing, and things like that. But this one is amazing for traveling, and it's so tiny, and it works on any surface. It's so good. Anyway, let me know if you want a more in-depth desk setup video. I can talk about my setup way more, but this was mainly supposed to be an apartment tour. So that is it for the apartment. Let me know what other videos you'd like me to make down below, or if you have any questions about becoming a digital nomad, setup recommendations, anything like that, feel free to leave below. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, turning on the bell notifications, leaving a like for the YouTube algorithm, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.